Hello friends, welcome back to Tiny Rooms Therapy. In today's session we are making a formidable grand piano. A little bit background first. Up until the end of the 19th century, the pianoforte brought new music into upscale homes. If someone wanted to listen to the latest composition by the musical geniuses of the time, they had to attend a concert or possess their own pianoforte. In this Tiny Rooms Therapy session, we are going to make a grand piano for an elegant roombox or dollhouse. And again, this project is accompanied by its very own detailed ebook tutorial, which is available in the Tiny Rooms Therapy Etsy store. Well then, let's get started. First, we are printing out all the templates in the ebook tutorial. You can choose to make a 1-inch scale version of this piano or a Playscale sized version for a Barbie or Monster High doll. Both template sets are included in the PDF download. As building material, we are using mostly mat board, which is very easy to work with. I'm cutting and preparing all the parts, which should be done in an hour max. For the legs, I'm using balsa wood, an absolute favorite material of model makers worldwide. It is affordable and very easy to cut and sand. Done! These are all our needed parts. Now let's assemble our grand piano. I'm starting with the front, gluing the pieces in place as shown in the layout. Then I glue on the straight side parts. The curve is made of these small mat board posts. Then I add the inner lining and the bracing parts. On top goes the inner soundboard base. Glue it good together. Next I fit the outer lining, cut it and glue it in place. This color is for the inner lining. Assembling the legs, the pedal box and the music rack. I'm painting all the parts with black acrylic paint. Of course, you can also choose to make it white or perhaps a nice pastel color. That's completely up to you. Now take the soundboard and glue it in. For the two hinges, for the top lid, I use small pieces of black tape. Then glue on the upper frame with the music shelf. Next glue on the top lid, again with superglue. Next are the legs. Then the keyboard. The pedals are made of jewelry pins. And we're done! I hope you liked this tiny room therapy session, and if so, please help this channel grow by liking, subscribing and sharing with other miniature fans. Thank you so much! A detailed tutorial for this project is available in the Tiny Rooms Therapy Etsy store. It includes easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. The piano tutorial also includes precise templates for the 1-inch scale version, plus a Playscale size version suitable for Barbie and Monster High doll rooms. The 40+ page ebook is a PDF for instant download. It can be viewed and used on any computer, tablet or smartphone. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!